Marketing is the process of selling the product by finding the present and future needs of the customer, manufacturing the innovative product, selling them at the right time to the targeted customer at a competitive price. They offer their product with desired quality better than the competitors with utmost care of scarce natural resources without polluting the environment and satisfying the customer to maintain relationship for repeating the sale in the future. Let us discuss traditional and modern view of market. Marketing, its process, features and functions. Marketing management and its objectives. Marketing mix, product mix, price mix, place mix and promotion mix. Concept of market. The word market has its origin from the Latin word marketus. Traditional view. Market is a place where buyers and sellers meet each other to conduct buying and selling activities. Traditionally, the buyers and sellers would meet at a physical location only. It is concerned with the movement of goods from the production unit to the door of customer. It was limited to selling of the product even at unreasonable price due to lack of competition. Modern view. Market is a place where the goods are sold and services are provided with good faith and maintaining relationships with the customer and creating value for their customers and for themselves. It is not limited to the geographical places only, as today the business is conducted on telephone, through mail or the internet. Seller can reach the customer anywhere and any time in the world. Marketing. Marketing is a process by which the marketer attempts to match products or services with customers' needs with the purpose of selling and satisfying them at a profit. Process of marketing. Anticipating the present and future needs of the customers. Collecting the information to develop the product. Make the product or service available on time. Providing the goods at a competitive price. Follow up after the product has been sold. Redressing customers' grievances. Product, marketer and customer. Product. Anything that can be offered to a market to satisfy a want or a need. Marketer. The person who performs the activities involved in the process of marketing. Customer. The person who buys the product in exchange of money or money's worth. Features of marketing. Need and want. Creating as market offering. Customer value. Functions of marketing. Marketing research. Marketing planning. Product designing and development. Standardization. Packaging. Branding. Customer support services. Pricing of products. Promotion and selling. Physical distribution. Transportation. Storage and warehousing. Difference between selling and marketing. Role of marketing. Role in a firm. It emphasizes that consumer is the kingpin in the market. All the activities of firm are consumer-oriented. It helps the customers to satisfy their needs. Marketing helps a firm to survive and grow in the competitive world. Role in the economy. Development of an economy depends upon income level and standard of living of the people. Through marketing, companies can provide better goods and services. Through marketing, companies can increase their sales and production. Ultimately leads to development of the economy. Marketing management. Marketing management is the art and science of choosing target markets and getting, keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. Objectives of marketing management. Choosing a target market. Creation of demand. Creating superior value to product. Market share. Goodwill. Profitable sales volume through customer satisfaction. Business concepts. Business concepts refer to the way to business thinking, attitudes, or idea the business enterprises have to follow in order to sell goods and services in the market. These are of 5 types: production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept, and societal concept. Difference in the marketing philosophies. On the basis of starting point. Main focus, means, ends. Marketing mix. Marketing mix can be defined as a set of marketing tools that a firm uses to achieve its objectives in the target market. The elements of marketing mix were classified into 4 categories, popularly known as 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. Product mix. Product mix means the total number of products and items that a particular marketer offers to the market. It basically refers to all those activities to be undertaken by a marketer to produce the goods. The 2 factors affecting a product are controllable factors and uncontrollable factors. Types of products. Products may be classified into 2 broad categories: consumer products and industrial products. Types of consumer goods. Consumer goods can be classified on the basis of shopping efforts and on the basis of durability. Consumer goods can be further classified as convenience products, shopping products, specialty products, durable products, non-durable products, and services. Types of industrial products. Industrial products can be classified as materials and parts, capital items, supplies, and business services. Branding. Branding can be defined as the process of using a name, term, symbol, or design individually or in some combination to identify a product. It is the seller's promise to deliver a set of benefits or attributes or satisfaction. Advantages of branding to the marketer. Helps in product differentiation. Helps in advertising. Differential pricing. Easy introduction of new products. Advantages of branding to customers. Helps in identification of product. Ensures quality. Status symbol. Characteristics of a good brand name. Brand name should be short and simple. Brand names should be easy to pronounce. Brand name should be suggestive. Brand name should be unique and distinctive. Brand name should be capable of being registered. Packaging. Packaging can be defined as a set of tasks or activities which is concerned with the design and production of an appropriate container for the product. The container which carries the product is called packaging. Levels of packaging: primary package, secondary package, and transportation package. Importance of packaging: protection, identification, standards of health and sanitation, self-service outlets, convenience, and promotion. Labeling. It usually carries some common information like the name of the product, the name and address of the manufacturer, ingredients, graphics, directions of use, and maximum retail price. Functions of labeling: provides description of product and contents, identification of the product or brand, grading of the products, helps in promotion of products, providing information required by law. Price mix. It is a monetary sacrifice that a buyer makes to the seller while purchasing something. It is the mixture of strategies a firm has to follow while deciding the price of the product. It includes finding the cost, level of competition, customer demands, price strategies, etc. Features of price. It is the sum for which anything is bought, sold. Payment given in return for goods bought. Variable through which organization can control the market. It is a competitive weapon in the perfect competition. Factors determining the price: cost of the product, utility and demand, competition, government and legal regulation, pricing objectives, and marketing methods used. Place mix. Place mix refers to a set of decisions that need to be taken in order to make the product available to the customer. It is a process by which the goods are transferred from the place of production to the place of consumption. Channels of distribution. Channels of distribution are the set of firms and individuals that take title or assist in transferring title to particular goods or services as it moves from producers to the customers. Functions of distribution channels: sorting, assortment, accumulation, packing, product promotion, negotiation, and risk-taking. Types of distribution levels. These are 0-level channel, 1-level channel, 2-level channels, and 3-level channels. Factors determining choice of channel of distribution. These include market-related factors, product-related factors, company-related factors, competitive factors, and environmental factors. Promotion mix. Promotion mix is an important element of marketing mix by which marketers make use of various tools of communication to encourage exchange of goods and services in the market. It is a combination of advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, and public relations. Advertising. Advertisement can be defined as the paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of idea of goods or services by an identified sponsor. Advantages and disadvantages of advertising. Advantages are mass reach, enhancing customer satisfaction and confidence, expressiveness, economical, acceptability, wide variety of media available for advertising. Disadvantages are impersonal communication, difficulty in media choice, inflexibility. Advertising is less effective. Sales promotion. Sales promotion refers to the use of short-term incentives or other promotional activities that seek to stimulate interest, trial, or purchase among the customers. It convinces the buyer to buy the product. Sales promotion techniques are rebate, discounts, refunds, gifts, special package, samples, contests, free in-mail premiums, packaged premium, container premium, instant draws, payback points, loyalty bonus, exchange bonus, cash back offer, instant EMI. Advantages and disadvantages of sales promotion. Merits are attract various customers, useful to launch new products. Demerits are can create crisis and spoils the product image. Personal selling. It involves face-to-face interaction between the seller and the prospective buyer or buyers for making a sale. Important characteristics are personal interaction, two-way communication, and better response relationship. Features of personal selling. Personal interaction, two-way communication, better response, buyer-seller relation, and better convincing. Importance of personal selling. It is important to businessmen, customers, society. Qualities of a good salesman. A good salesman should have sound health, mental alertness, polite expression, and specialized knowledge.
Functions of public relations. The role of public relations can be discussed with respect to the functions which the department performs. The Public Relations Department performs 5 functions. First, press relations. Second, product publicity. Third, corporate communication. Fourth, lobbying. Fifth, counseling.